Hey everyone, and welcome to Stitch With Creations. This is an unboxing of all the delightful things that SilverGryphon sent to me for our Christmas care package swap. I would have included the original soundtrack for the reaction, but I swear like a fishwife, and most of it was me saying, oh, wow, ooh, other appreciative noises, because it is very pretty stuff. I'm really loving this fabric, and it's all in these really strange iridescent colours and sparkly colours in a similar palette, so it's given me a few ideas for some future projects, so thank you so much. These pink beads are rose quartz, and they're just amazing. I love rose quartz. There's some of these sort of little chunky beads as well, odd shapes, but I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with them, but I know that whatever I'm going to make with them is going to be amazing. I'm hoping to make something doll related with all of this stuff, so I don't know if it's going to be one project with all of the stuff or it's going to be useful for several projects, but either way, thank you so much. Oh, some tiny silver bells, and they jingle. You can't hear it very well. Just stick it on a little pin and give it a shake. We couldn't hear it. It was a bit sort of rattly on the original soundtrack. Ooh, I'm not sure if this is viscose or brushed out yarn, but I'm looking forward to using that too. And here's the main event. I was absolutely blown away with it. Look at the colours. Those colours are just spot on. I think I gave pinks, purples, teals, spacey, witchy vibes. I like heavy metal, and they came up with this wonderful Aurora Borealis style in doll that I absolutely blown away with, and the wings and the little sockets that the wings go on are just amazing, so I'm really excited. My husband came in at this point and was cooing over it too, and said it's almost like they know you, which is pretty spot on. But thank you so much. I am so amazed with it. I love the sparkly bits on her face. I love her little pink tips on her ears, her wings, her hair. It's gorgeous. Her outfit's stunning. It's absolutely wonderful. I was just so impressed with absolutely everything about her. But yeah, here we go. Here's everything all together. Make a little montage of it all together so you can see all the wonderful sparkly things that I got sent. I'm so happy with it all. Thank you so much. And here she is, some little photos for you. I love her little face, it's absolutely gorgeous. We've actually done a little bit more of a trade-off behind the scenes, and we're planning to do another care package swap at some point this year. So if this has been something that you've enjoyed, please keep your eyes peeled and keep in tune. Thank you. So it just leaves me to say the usual, please leave a comment below, Please check out SilverGryphon. I'll leave a link in the description box, and subscribe, like, all of that jazz, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.